Okay, so depending on the similarity and congruence rules, we will solve the fill in the blanks. Now first question is, all circles are congruent या फिर similar? What's the answer? Yes, all circles are similar या congruent. All बोला है बोला क्या? All circles are similar. Okay, they are not congruent. Congruent यानी हम किसको बोलते हैं congruent? जिसका शेप भी सेम है और साइज भी सेम है, उसको हम लोग congruent बोलते हैं. All squares are what? Again, all squares are similar.
Similar.
Okay. What about triangles? All dash triangles are similar. Which type of triangles? Isosceles या equilateral? All equilateral triangles are similar. What is the speciality of equilateral triangle? What is the speciality of all sides
Yes,
are equal?
all sides and all angles are equal.
Okay, all angles are equal. तो देखो अभी अगर ये छोटा वाला भी इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल लोगे आप, तो उसके सारे एंगल्स, सपोज ये बड़े वाले इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल के जो एंगल्स है, इट विल बी इक्वल. ये भी 60 होगा, ये भी 60 होगा, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज सिमिलर. समझ में आया क्या आपको? The shape is same but the size is different. So equilateral triangle will be the answer for third fill in the blank. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are what? Corresponding angle should be equal. Okay. And their corresponding sides should be proportional. See, I found that while checking your CW, most of the students, they are not writing the questions. You need to write the question also. Okay. You need to write the question also and its solution also. Okay. So moving forward, this was about the first question. Fill in the blanks using the correct word given in the brackets. Now give two different examples of pair of similar figures and non-similar figures. So किसको बोलते हैं हम लोग similar figures? Yes, anyone? जिसका shape same हो और size different हो, then those figures are called as similar figures. Okay, so we have to give two different examples. Okay, squares and circles. Okay, so you need to draw the figure. Huh? You need to draw the figure. ये एक square है. See, you will draw the figures with the help of scale only. Okay, you will draw the figures with the help of scale only. Now these two figures are similar. And second example, you can give it of equilateral triangle. Okay. Figures you will draw with scale and pencil only. So these two are the examples. Yes, what about non-similar figures? Suppose if we take right angle triangle and one equilateral triangle. So these two are non-similar figures. Okay. Again, if we take square and rectangle, suppose this is a square and this is a rectangle. So these two are also non-similar figures. Circle and oval, correct. If we take circle and if we take oval shape, these two are also non-similar figures. A rhombus and parallelogram, correct. Okay, there are many examples. So only two we have to write. So first exercise was quite easy. Okay. I think so. One more question is there. Okay. One more question is there. So what is given in this question? State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. So हम लोगों ने criteria देखा था. Similarity of polygons. What was the criteria? What was the criteria for similarity of polygons? What was the criteria for similarity of polygons? You have written it in your CW. I told it to write. Corresponding angles are equal. Yes, correct. And equal angles and sides in same proportion. Correct. Okay. Angles, corresponding angles should be equal. And the ratio of corresponding sides should also be equal. Okay. तो भी आप यहाँ पे check कीजिए. See this SR side, it corresponds to this CD side. Similarly, ये PQ side जो है वो AB side को corresponding है. और ये PS साइड DA साइड को करस्पॉन्डिंग है और ये RQ साइड इट करस्पॉन्ड्स टू BC साइड. ओके. करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स का रेशियो इक्वल है बट क्या करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल इक्वल है? सपोज एंगल S और एंगल D को आप कंपेयर कीजिए. दिस टू एंगल्स आर नॉट इक्वल. ओके. यहाँ पे ये स्क्वायर है और यहाँ पे एक विच टाइप ऑफ फिगर इट इज? व्हाट शेप इट इज? It's a rhombus. It's a rhombus. So can a rhombus and square be equal or similar? No. Rhombus and square cannot be similar because the corresponding angles are not equal in both the cases. Okay. So what we can write as the corresponding angles corresponding angles in both figures are not equal, so these figures are not similar. These figures are not similar. We will have to specify the reason in geometry. Okay. Is it clear to you? Any doubt? Okay. See the next one then. Now we will start exercise 6.2. We have already done the basic proportionality theorem also and its converse also. So directly we will start the next exercise. Okay. Now what they have said in figure 6.17, first and second. See, we are having two figures, first and second. DE is parallel to BC. So in first figure also this DE line, it is parallel to this BC line. And in second figure also this DE line, it is parallel to BC. What we have to do, we have to find EC. यानी ये वाला पार्ट हमको फाइंड करना है EC सेगमेंट फर्स्ट फिगर में और सेकंड में हमको AD वाला सेगमेंट हमको फाइंड करना है. ओके. So how we can get it? Any idea how we can get it?
Sir,
How?
using PPT,
Correct. We will have to use the
we
basic
will write AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC, and substituting the values we will get.
Okay. Okay, Shravani, it's correct. So in figure 1, line DE, in figure 1, line DE is parallel to line, sorry, BC. It's BC. Okay, line DE is parallel to line BC. So by basic proportionality theorem, what we can write? By basic proportionality theorem, AD upon DB, it is equal to AE upon EC. Okay, just put the values. AD का value है 1.5, DB का value है 3, which is equal to AE का value है 1 और EC हमको find करना है. Okay, so this is 1.51 za and this is 2 za. Do the cross multiplication. So EC will come equal to 2 centimeters. So the value of EC is what? 2 centimeters. Similarly, for the second figure, find out the value of AD. You will write all these steps as it is. Okay. What will be the value of AD then? What is the value of AD? 2.4. Okay. Correct. 2.4 is correct. Okay. For second one also, you will apply the BPT. I'm directly applying the BPT. Huh? So what it will become, you will write the steps. AD upon DB, it is equal to AE upon EC. Okay. So AD हमको find करना है. DB हमारे पास है 7.2. It is equal to 1.8. And it is equal to 5.4. So 1.8 ones are and this is 3s are. Okay. Now do the cross multiplication. So 3AD will be equal to 7.2. So AD will be what? 7.2 divided by 3. That is nothing but 2.4 centimeters. Okay. 2.4 centimeters. Okay. Chalo, one question from my side. Can you prove this triangle as यहाँ पे दो triangle है आपके पास ADE or ABC? Can you prove both the triangles are similar? And if yes, then how? Can you prove triangle ADE and ABC as similar? And if yes, then how? $90? What's 90° Gauri here? Nothing is given like 90° and all. Harsh Chaudhary by SAS. Yes, Harsh, you can turn on the mic and tell me what you have done.
Sir, here
Harsh,
we can see that the AD is 1.5 and DB is 3 centimeter. So the ratio is 1:2. And then AE is 1 centimeter and EC is 2 centimeter. So 1:2 ratio. And the angle is angle ADE equals to angle BAC. So
see,
by SAS similarity.
angle ADE is equal to angle AB.
DAE equals to BAC.
ओके सबसे पहली बात सुनो, अभी मैंने आपको कौन से दो ट्रायंगल बोला था? फर्स्ट वन वाज ट्रायंगल ए डी ई, ओके, एंड सेकेंड ट्रायंगल वाज ए बी सी, ओके। तो अगर आपको करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स का रेशो लेना है, नाउ सी ये रहा, पहले वाले ट्रायंगल की एडी साइड आएगी और बड़े वाले ट्रायंगल की ए बी साइड आएंगे, ओके। इट शुड बी इक्वल टू ए ई अपॉन ए सी. We can find AB and AC because we are having the value. ये 1.5 है, ये 3 है, तो AB कितना हो जाएगा? 4.5. Okay. Now check it whether the ratio is coming equal. So 1.5 divided by 4.5 which is equal to AE क्या है? 1 और ये हमको कितना मिला था अभी? 2. तो 1 + 2 यहाँ पे ये 3 आ जाएगा. तो ये 1 जा 3 जा. See 1/3 we are getting the ratio. अभी आप ये एंगल देखो, ये एंगल दोनों ट्रायंगल के लिए कॉमन है, छोटे वाले ट्रायंगल के लिए भी और बड़े वाले ट्रायंगल के लिए. दैट मीन्स इट इज इक्वल. सो बाय SAS टेस्ट, as you said, by SAS test these two triangles are similar. ओके. दूसरा तरीका ये है कि आप ये एंगल दोनों ट्रायंगल के लिए कॉमन है, आप ये एंगल और ये एंगल इक्वल बोल सकते हो. व्हाट इज द रीजन? This angle is equal to this angle. What is the reason?
Corresponding angle.
Corresponding angle. Similarly, this angle is equal to this angle. Again, the reason is corresponding angle because these two lines are parallel. So by AAA similarity test also these two triangles are similar. AA similarity से भी हम लोग उसको prove कर सकते हैं. Okay. We are going to see that also. आगे है हमको वो topic. Next question. E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR. Okay. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग triangle बना लेंगे. We will have to draw the figure here. PQR. Okay. E and F are the points on sides PQ and PR respectively of triangle PQR for each of the following. Okay, suppose ये point आपका क्या है? ये point आपका E है और ये point आपका F है. Okay, we'll join E and F. Now what they have said, PE, first one we are doing, PE is equal to 3.9 centimeters. So we will put the values here. PE is equal to 3.9 centimeters. EQ is equal to 3 centimeters. PF is equal to 3.6 centimeters. And FR, it is equal to 2.4 centimeters. So what we have to prove, EF is parallel to QR. ये हमको prove करना है. तो कैसे करेंगे हम लोग? How we will do it? We are having this much values. What we will do? What was given in the converse of basic proportionality theorem? What was given or what was the statement of converse of BPT? What was the statement of converse of BPT? अगर ये रेशो इक्वल आता है, okay, that means this line is parallel to this line. This was given in our converse of basic proportionality theorem. So now we will check this ratio. Okay. So we will take the ratio PE upon EQ. It is equal to PF upon FR. Okay. Just put the values. 3.9 divided by 3, it will be equal to 3.6 divided by 2.4. Check it whether the ratio is coming equal or not. ये इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद ये आ जाएगा 1.3 और इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद ये आ जाएगा 3/2. 3/2 is nothing but 1.5. So this ratio is not equal. Okay, this ratio is not equal. Therefore, line EF is not parallel to QR. Is it clear to you? समझ में आया क्या आप लोगों को? Why these two lines are not parallel? Because this ratio is unequal. Okay, who will check the second one for me? Second one. The figure will remain the same. P, Q, R, this is EF. Now here the values have changed. PE is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. Or QE is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Okay. PF is equal to 8 centimeters. Or RF is equal to 9 centimeters. Sarang is saying that the ratio is not equal here. Sarang, can you please turn on the mic? Sarang Jadhav.
Yes, sir.
ये देखो हम लोग रेशियो लेते हैं. पे अटेंशन. PE upon EQ which is equal to PF upon FR. बोलो भला values. What is the value of PE?
4 centimeter.
4
And
divided by,
EQ is 4.5.
and here it is 8 and here it is 9. The ratio is equal. कैसे equal है आप चेक कर सकते हो. आप डबल कर दीजिए. अगर 4 into 2 करोगे और 4.5 into 2 करोगे तो you will get 8 upon 9. The ratio is equal. Okay. So by converse of basic proportionality theorem, now we will have to mention the reason. By converse of basic proportionality theorem, line EF is parallel to QR. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Okay. Check the next one, whether the lines are parallel or not. Again, the figure will remain the same. Sorry, it is P, Q, R. This is point E and F. Okay, lines are parallel in the next case. So PQ, P से लेके Q तक का distance given है अभी हमको यहाँ पे. P से लेके Q तक का distance 1.28 है. 28 centimeters. और P से लेके R तक का distance भी हमको given है. That is 2.56. Okay. और PE हमको गिवन है 0.18 सेंटीमीटर्स और PF हमको गिवन है 0.36 सेंटीमीटर्स. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको देख के ही समझ में आ रहा होगा. सी 1.28 का डबल है 2.56 और 0.18 का डबल है 0.36. दैट मीन्स द लाइन आर पैरेलल. ओके, 1/2 रेशियो यू विल गेट. ओके, बट हमको ये लिखना पड़ेगा in the form of steps. Okay, so we are given PQ. So as PQ is equal to 1.28, but PQ segment is made from two segments, that is PE plus EQ, which is equal to 1.28. So PE is how much? 0.18. What will be the value of EQ then? What will be the value of EQ? 1.28 में से 0.18 जाने के बाद कितना बचेगा? What will be the value of EQ? EQ will be 1.1. Okay. EQ is 1.1 centimeters. Next, also PR is equal to 2.56. Okay, but PR is made from PF plus FR, which is equal to 2.56. So यहाँ पे 0.36 plus FR हमको निकालना है, तो कितना आएगा? What will be the value of FR? What will be the value of FR? It will come 2.2 centimeters. Okay. FR it is. Okay. Now we are having the values. What we will do, we will check the ratio now. PE upon EQ. It is equal to PF upon FR. So put the values 0.18 divided by 1.1, which is equal to 0.36 divided by 2.2. तो ये इधर RHS में बस आप 2 से अगर डिवाइड कर दोगे तो आपको क्या मिल जाएगा? 0.18 divided by 1. That means the ratio became equal. Now what we can write next? By converse of BPT, by converse of BPT, line EF is parallel to QR. That's it. Is it clear to you? Any doubt to anyone? Okay, next one. See the third question. Now what they have said here in figure 6.18, if LM is parallel to CB, LN is parallel to CD, what we have to prove? We have to prove AM upon AB, it is equal to AN upon AD. Okay. तो ये वाली जो line है, okay, LM, it is parallel to this line, and this LN line, it is parallel to this line. Okay, it is given to us. So we have to prove AM upon AB, it is equal to AN upon AD. ये हमको prove करना है. So how we can get it? Suppose if we take this triangle ABC, apply BPT to it. In triangle ABC, okay, by basic proportionality theorem. By basic proportionality theorem, what will come here then? ABC triangle में लगा रहे हैं हम लोग. Okay, in triangle ABC, here again mention one thing, as line LM is parallel to line CB. So by basic proportionality theorem, what we can write then? Yes, tell me. If we apply basic proportionality theorem to this triangle ABC, what we will get? What we will get? बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम लगाना है ये ट्रायंगल के लिए, ए बी सी ट्रायंगल को, बिकॉज दिस लाइन इज पैरेलल टू दिस लाइन. सो व्हाट वी विल गेट, AM upon MB. Okay, AM upon MB, it is equal to AL upon LC. Okay, this we will get by basic proportionality theorem. Give this equation as equation number 1. अभी ये नीचे वाले ट्रायंगल को भी लगाओ, ADC ट्रायंगल को भी BPT लगाते हैं. In triangle ADC as line, which line now? LN is parallel to line CD. So by basic proportionality theorem, basic proportionality theorem, what we can write? AL upon LC, it is equal to, या फिर इधर इसको इधर आने दो, AN upon ND कर देंगे इसको, AN upon ND. Now this is my second equation. Okay. Now what we are understanding, what we are getting from first and second equation, see the RHS part is same. Yes or no? The RHS part is same. So from equation 1 and 2, what we can say? The LHS part is also same. So from 1 and 2, what we can say? AM upon MB, it is equal to AN upon ND. Okay, it is equal to AN upon ND. But हमारा proof नहीं हुआ है अभी. श्रावणी सी हियर, हमको यहाँ पे AB और AD चाहिए डिनोमिनेटर में. ओके, AB और AD चाहिए डिनोमिनेटर में. सो व्हाट वी विल डू हियर टू गेट AB एंड AD नाउ? न्यूमरेटर तो हमारा आ गया. व्हाट वी कैन डू, इफ यू रिमेंबर when we have done the proof for converse of BPT, I think so, that time we have added one. Okay, तो वो add one करके देखते हैं यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा फिर. So in the next step, what we will do, add one on both sides. So AM upon MB plus 1, which is equal to AN upon ND plus 1. तो AM plus MB क्या हो जाएगा? ये ऐड वन करने के बाद क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, तो AM प्लस MB डिवाइडेड बाय MB आएगा नीचे. But see, we are getting AB in the numerator, but here MB is coming in the denominator. So adding one is not a better option here. What we can do, other thing. Adding one is not a better option here. क्या करना पड़ेगा? Adding one is not a better option. What we can do? What we can do? We want AB and AD in the denominators.
Sir, first if we reverse the terms, that will be MB upon AM
Okay,
equals to ND upon AN. And
ND
then add 1.
upon AN. Now see, adding one, we are getting it or not? Yes, denominator AM हमारा AN और AN को कोई ये नहीं आएगा. It will be as it is if we add one also now here. See, MB upon AM plus 1, which is equal to ND upon AN plus 1. So ये हो जाएगा MB plus AM upon AM, करेक्ट। और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा ND plus AN डिवाइडेड बाय AN। ओके, तो ऊपर AB आ जाएगा, देखो AB अपॉन AM आ जाएगा, और नीचे आ जाएगा, सॉरी ये साइड में आ जाएगा ND प्लस AN दैट इज इक्वल टू AD अपॉन AN। अब फिर से रेसिप्रोकल ले लो, you will get the answer. See, this step also we have taken the reciprocal. Okay, taking reciprocal on both sides. Taking reciprocal on both sides. Okay. और लास्ट में भी आपको फिर से रेसिप्रोकल लेना है, then you will get this answer. Okay. So we will continue the next part of this exercise tomorrow. We will stop here now.